Salutations and welcome back to the farm. My name is Alicia with Country Mama Musings, and earlier we did a sunshine pickle video to show you how I took some farm fresh cucumbers, some pickling cucumbers, and I made this beautiful jar of sunshine pickles. These are going to be sitting outside for the next few days, and they're going to pickle under the heat of the sun. But I had one cucumber left, and what to do with it? Well, you know, a couple years ago, I made 75 jars of pickles, and we ran out, and I had to run to the store to feed my pickle desires, and I had to get some store-bought pickles. So I got this brand name of cold pickles that I just absolutely love. And once I finished the jar, I kept the brine in the refrigerator because I'm going to show you how to make lazy pickles. So I'm going to bring the camera on down and I'm going to show you how to do this. Come on along. To make our lazy pickles, we're just going to keep, like I said, the brine from any store-bought cold refrigerator pickle. I don't know how this works with pickles that you get off the shelf, but I just love to use this cold one here. I'm going to take this one remaining cucumber that I have, and I'm going to remove not only the blossom end, but the vine end. I'm going to give those to my chickens. They'll enjoy that later. And then I'm just going to cut this cucumber into nice, even slices for our hamburgers, or for just reaching into the fridge and grabbing a slice whenever you're craving a good dill pickle. Make them nice and even. Don't go too thick. You want to allow that brine to get in there and do its job. Now, you don't have to add any water or vinegar to the brine. The brine should still be good. Just a few more slices here. This is so easy. And the thing is there's just no sense in wasting the brine. Don't pour this down the sink. Use it. Now, in our earlier video, when we did these pickles here, I shared with you, I love garlic. So I'm going to add some garlic, just one garlic clove, to what I've already got here with this brine. But you don't have to add anything if you don't want to. But I'm going to pop in that garlic clove. I'm going to throw in some of my cucumber slices that I just did here. You know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to throw in, I'm going to throw in a couple of, just a few, don't get crazy, some peppercorns, some fresh mustard seed, just throw that in there. And how about a bay leaf? Let's throw a bay leaf in there and change up the flavor of these pickles. Just a little one. There it is. You don't have to add anything more. Now just put the rest of your pickle slices in there. Your cucumber slices, forgive me. And pop the lid on and you're done. So that's it. Now these are ready to go in the fridge for 3 days minimum. Then give them a taste. You're going to have some delicious pickles. It doesn't matter if you do them in little quarters, if you do them in slices, they're going to be delicious. I have room for more in here, but alas, I am out of cucumbers. But this is an easy, lazy way to make use of that brine. Don't throw it away. Now, one thing about doing this is not going to be a perpetual brine. You're not going to keep doing this over and over again. You're going to get this one time out of it, maybe a second time, but after that, then you have to throw your brine away and maybe get another jar of pickles and start fresh. So that's it for now from the farm. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know, have you ever done this way of recycling your brine? Comment in the comment section below and let me know. Thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.